So not too long ago I got my hands on the latest Xiaomi Smartband device, the Miband4. I've had all of them since the Miband2, and in this episode we'll make some comparisons between them and why or why not should you get this one. Let's go. The first thing to notice is that the box isn't the same as the other Mi Bands, which while were more simple, they felt a little more premium in their build, although the design of this box is more pleasing this time around. One thing that hasn't changed though is that it is a little painful to take the band out of the box. This time around the pill is previously inserted into the wristband, while you had to mount it separately on the models before. The pill seems to be almost like the Mi Band 3 pill except for some minor design choices, which I like. It seems like the Mi Band 4 sensor has been upgraded since you can see more modules in the back. I also thought the Mi Band 3 had the crystal overly exposed in comparison to the Mi Band 2, so this one is some kind of middle ground between those devices. A great thing about this new band is that it is compatible with previous wristbands, so if you had different colors or something, this one should fit in them. A nice touch there. The charger is one of the big changes for the Mi Band 4 since now it is like a pod charger, where you rest the pill on top of it in order to get it charging. While the previous models feature kind of a slot dock, it has its ups and downs. For example, the new one looks slightly flimsier in quality and bulkier, but it charges the pill really well, while the other ones I always had difficulty charging the pill with. You get your standard user manual, and that's it for the unboxing. Moving on to the features, the Mi Band 4 now features a full color and touch-sensitive OLED screen, with many useful new tricks and features for the new and returning users. They are not much of a big deal, but in this price range, they sure are very welcome. First up, you have interchangeable faces for the watch. You can either choose the default faces directly through the watch's interface, or you can get into the Mi Fit app and download a ton of other custom watch faces. For example, I would like to try on this one, so the only thing I have to do is to click and wait for it to sync up with the watch. You can even download more custom watch faces on the internet and even make your own, so the possibilities here are endless. You can also control your music straight from the band now. You only have to get your favorite music app going, and then you can play and pause, skip, and adjust the volume without having to touch your cell phone at all. It is not the best experience ever, but it gets the job done. Last but not least, you get some new exercise features now, including swimming. It is now able to hold up until 50 meters below water, so you can take it to the pool with you and have it track your exercise. If you need to pause, you only have to hold the home button for some seconds and you're able to continue or cancel. Overall, I had the Mi Band 4 and loved it. It feels the battery is even better on this device, and I will definitely recommend it to any new or returning user to upgrade to the Mi Band 4. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of it. Remember to give me a follow if you'd like to see more reviews like this. Cheers guys.